some tea. I took a Sominex. The voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour! Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plan is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax, go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my breast. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, good night.
You just want water, right?
Sure do I drink it straight.
Oh, your bridges are dry, poor thing.
Don't need no glass and no wine.
Oh, get the can.
Don't need no twist of
Here we
life.
go.
And now it's supper time. Relax, sweetheart, it'll be easy. Come on, record your dinner spoon and push it there right inside.
No! Audrey! Get off her! Get off her! Audrey, are you okay?
Yes. No. Oh,
Audrey, don't die. Please don't die. I need you.
no. The plant just said the strangest thing just now. It said that Orr and Miss Kamushnik were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong and you so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey. But not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
Seymour, when I die, which will be very shortly, give me to the plant so it can live to give you all the wonderful things you deserve.
No, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You wash my tender leaves, smell my sweet perfume, water me and care for me.